Ikereka ria keri ria homa ya corona guku bururi-ini riukite na mururumo munene undu uria ucungiririe thirikari guthurima keri imwe ya mitaratara iria iriga kuregerio rita riri ikinyitanyitio niguo kurigereria gutherema makiria kwa murimu uyu. Hamwe na mogaruruku maria makinyanirio ni mukana wa mathaa ma kuma nja utuku kana kabiu, mogaruruku maya makiambiriria kurutithio wira utuku wa umuthi na guthii na mbere nginyagia mweri-ini wa mwambiririo mwaka ukite.
Beginning tonight, the 4th of November, the curfew will now be enforced between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. in the morning.
Ene mikawa na cienderio cia njohi nao makiendeka gukorwo mahingite biacara ciao ikihanda thaa 3 cia utuku mugaru na hau kabere riria marahingaga thaa 4 cia utuku aria mekwagarara mikana ino makirutirwo mukana wa gukanjirwo marua mao ma wira.
All operators of hotels, restaurants, eateries, bars and other establishments that sell alcohol on wholesale or retail terms to do all that is necessary to ensure enhanced compliance with the Ministry of Health's guidelines and protocols.
Oho mitaratara iria koretwo ikirumirirwo makanitha-ini magongona-ini ma mohiki na mathiko no iguthie na mbere guthingatwo.
Any indoor religious gathering other than for the purpose of a wedding or a funeral shall have no more than 1/3 of its normal seating capacity occupied at a given sitting. The Ministry of Health guidelines remain in force. The Ministry of Interior and Coordination of National Government is hereby directed to ensure strict enforcement, and those who fail to meet those requirements will be stopped from further gatherings.
Hamwe na mitaratara ingi ni kunyihio kwa mishamanio ya imwe kwa imwe ya maafitha thirikari-ini riri andu aria makinyitie ukuru wa miaka 58 makiria aria mari na mathina ma kimwiri moritio guthie na mbere kurutira wira micii-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.
Chairman Wycliffe Oparanya